Every computer application uses a specific file format for documents created, whether that's a text document, image, page layout file, video, or recorded sounds. When you save your work in the application, the type of file created is often proprietary or native to the application that you're using. This means that you can only open this file in the application used to create it. One example of a proprietary file format is a PSD file. When you edit images in Adobe Photoshop and save the image, saving in the native file format PSD is the default option. Many applications save in a specific native file format in order to preserve certain aspects of a document. Adobe Photoshop allows multiple layers to be added to an image that contain elements to enhance the image. These added layers are saved when the image is saved in the native PSD file format and can be further edited at a later time. While there are many advantages to saving files in a native file format of the application, this is impractical when you need to share images and files with others who may not have the application you use to create the document. Open source file formats are one way to share files. These common file types are essential when publishing images on the web or in print. Some examples of open source file types are JPG, PNG, GIF, PDF, MP3 or MP4. If you want to save a document in an open source file format, most often you have to select the Save As command or Export command. When saving these open source formats, you may still be able to open the document in the application, but any application-specific information will not be available.